What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I've got a very exciting package sitting here in front of me. I've not even opened the box yet, but I decided to get the MacBook Neo, which is the entry-level MacBook that Apple have just released. It actually came out yesterday, and I did pre-order it, but Amazon decided they didn't want to send it to me, so I had to get it from Currys. So I'm a day behind, but I'm so excited to see what this looks like in person. I saw they released a blush color, and I was like, that's a bit of me. Oh my god. What a beautiful box. What a stunning girl. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And it's just the box. Oh my god. So this is a 256GB storage one. I currently have an old MacBook Pro, which I use at work. I don't have one at home. So I was really wanting a MacBook for so long, but I was like, oh, I don't really want to pay those kind of prices because I'm really just going to edit on it or use it for, you know, YouTube or something. So I didn't really want to buy a Pro or an Air. So when this was announced, I thought, that is perfect for me. That is perfect for me. Let's see how pink it really is in person. The moment of truth. Oh, she's kind of heavy. I didn't know how heavy she'd be. She's kind of heavy. Ooh. She's really pretty. On the screen, she's looking a bit silver. Like on camera, she looks kind of silver, but she does look blush IRL. She's blushing IRL. So, designed by Apple in California. MacBook Neo. Okay. So obviously, Apple don't respect us anymore, and we just get a charging cable. Don't actually get a block with it. For now, I'm just going to use my phone block. How cute is that? But I will buy one obviously for this, but for now, that's what I'm using. And oh my god, let's have another look at her. Right. So, charging port on the side, headphone jack, speakers. Right, let's open her up. Oh my god. Oh, she's so pretty. Just want to see what the keys felt like. Oh, she's a stunner. English UK. Oh, set up with phone or iPad. Do you know what? I think I'm going to set up as new. Oh, and this is the phone case I've got right now. Pink vibes all round. And I've got the pink Apple Watch strap. I do have a silver iPad though. I do have a silver iPad. But look how cute this phone case is. I've also got this phone case for my Samsung. Super cute. Okay, software update. Update later because I don't know how long that's going to take. Oh my god, they know I'm a panda. Cute. Create a Mac account. And then this is my iPad. So look, these are all my Apple products. I've got my MacBook, my Apple Watch, my iPad, and my phone. I'm locked into the Apple ecosystem, guys. I'm locked in. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Ooh, oh my god, that is a lot of apps in the dock. That is a lot of apps in the dock. There she is in all her glory. What a beautiful, stunning girl. It's really hard to pick up the color on camera It's actually really nice. I don't know, I was expecting it to maybe be light or feel a bit, I don't know, cheap, if that makes sense. Because obviously, I mean, it's still £600, but because it's like the entry level, I expected it to be uglier. But no, she's stunning. Let's go on. Well, we're gonna have to get Google Chrome up in here, but for now, let's just type something in. Ooh. There she is. There she is. Hello, Neo. Which colour do you guys like the best? What do we think? Oh, it's so exciting. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I'm really looking forward to set her up. Oh, let's check out like the speaker. Let's just go on YouTube real quick. But so far, it feels really good. I'm actually really impressed. Right, while we're here. We'll just watch this. I just want to test out the speaker.
In this desolate world, humans and Pokemon have vanished. Oh, a Ditto transformed to look like a human.
It sounds great. The colours are really good. They're not muted at all. This is at maximum brightness. This is it turned all the way down. So I'm actually really impressed with the display. The colours are popping. The sound is really good. Yeah, I'm actually really impressed. I mean, I know it's still £600, but as an entry-level MacBook, I don't know what I was expecting. So I am really pleased with it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my time to set it up, make it look cute. And then I think I'll do some sort of setting it up, showing you guys how I've customized it. Because these gotta go. There's far too many people down there. And yeah, I need to add all my apps. You can kind of see the pink better now. But it is pretty. It's not like super bright, but to be fair, I quite like it like that. I do enjoy baby pink, so I'm really happy with the colour. Happy with it all so far. And I will, yeah, definitely keep you guys updated with my thoughts on it. Let me know if you guys got one as well. If so, which colour did you get? I will set it all up and do a follow-up video customizing my MacBook. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about it, leave it below and I will see you guys in the next video.